welcome back to a new episode of Cooking with Jay Simkevitz. If you're new or reoccurring and haven't subscribed, please subscribe below. If you have subscribed, then thank you so much for doing that. On today's episode, I'm going casual. I'm not wearing a chef jacket today because I choose not to today. Casual is the new look. But today I am making borscht soup. I'm teaching you how to reheat borscht soup. Now you must be wondering, what the heck is borscht soup? Well, first of all, I'm going to show you all the steps you need to know how to actually heat up this borscht soup correctly. Step 1, you need a pot. That is a fact. Without a pot, you can't reheat your soup. It is impossible because you can't put it in something else other than a pot. So get a pot now. Step 2. You're actually going to need the soup. Literally, can't reheat soup without soup. You need the soup. That's a fact. That's important. Step 3, you need a stove like this. A stove to cook your soup on. Step number 4, you're gonna put the soup in your pot. You're gonna transfer it from your soup bowl into your pot. So let's go transfer it into our pot that we're gonna stick on the stove. So here we go. We're going to transfer this into our nice pot. Make sure you don't spill it. You'll stain the counter. You will stain everything. Your shirt, your clothes, everything. Even your hands you will stain. Be very careful to not stain anything. See, you transfer it in. Just slowly transfer it in what you want. You get some of that nice delicious broth. Just transfer it in. As Happy Gilmore would say, just tap it in. Just tap, tap, tap-a-roo. Well, in this, just transfer it in. Just transfer it in. Transfer it in. Come on, you gotta just transfer it in slowly. Okay, you see, you're filling it up now. There you go. That is the step. Very simple. This is step number 5, transferring it in. Very simple. If you can find some meat in this soup, then add it in. Fortunately, I don't think I am going to find some meat in here, which really sucks. But, oh well. It's part of life. Step number 7. You take your pot, you stick it on the stove, and you turn on the heat to about a number 7.5, if you can see that. Step number 8. If you can see that, 5 and 3. 8. If your stove is starting to smoke, you blow on it. Because you want to get that smoke off of whatever is smoking there. So keep blowing until there's no smoke. Step number 9. What are you going to do? You're going to turn off the soup because it's already boiling away. So we're going to turn it off. Step number 10. You're going to remove it off the stove. Which means you take it off the stove and you transfer it over to another coil so that the one that was heating it is not heating it anymore, and it looks like you haven't even cooked your soup at all. Number 11, very important step. You're going to transfer your soup into a bowl. It's not rocket science. You're not going to eat it out of the pot. You're going to transfer it into the bowl. So you take it, you transfer it into the bowl without spilling it. Oh, well, there we go. Oh, it got all over. Oh, there we go. Oh, well, now it's going to stain. It's going to stain all there. Dang. I'm in trouble now. I stained the whole entire top of this stove. Step number 12, which is very important, and I'm sorry for the lighting, you gotta clean up your mess. If you make a mess, you gotta clean it up. Just like this. I made a giant mess, I better clean it up. So I'm gonna clean up with some paper towel. It's the easiest thing to do. Just clean it up. Clean it all up. Not perfect, but looks better than it was before, even though it's splattered all over the place. Here is the most important step. Number 12. You're gonna sit down, you're gonna be quiet, and you're gonna eat your soup like a good little person is supposed to do. See? Eat the soup. That is good soup. Number 13, what you're going to do is you're going to subscribe below to my channel. That is what you're going to do. You're going to hit that nice red subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Number 14. 14. Dang, we got so many steps, but these are simple steps to do. Number 14, you're going to hit that thumbs up button. 50 thumbs up button. If you hit that button 50 times, we get 50 thumbs up buttons, I'm going to show you how to make this borscht soup from scratch, literally. Okay? I'm not going to teach you how to heat it up again. I'm going to teach you how to make it, which is the greatest. Number 15. Step number 15, which is important. You're going to share this with your friends, family, and all your social medias. That's what you're going to do. Number 16, most important, you're going to comment below of what you liked about this video and also what you also want to see me cook, because I will cook something for you. Just tell me in the comments below. Number 17, remember, you guys are awesome, you guys are amazing, you're one of a kind, you're beautiful. And number 18, step 18, remember, thank you so much for being part of Jay's squad and Cooking with Jay Simkevitz. And number 19, dang, number 19, if I'm not mistaken, yeah, number 19. Number 19, remember, keep calm and cook on.